Okay, second and final in-class assessment over completing the square. All you gotta do is master this one twice and you got it. Find the value for C that completes the square. That means I want to make a value for C that, so if I did the T-chart, I get the exact same two factors that would give me a sum of 8. Okay, so I'm going to go B over 2 to the second power, and the B is 8. So 8 divided by 2 to the second power is 4 to the second power, and that is equal to 16. So C is 16, and then that's all we need to do. Okay, convert the equation from standard form to vertex form. You have to use the complete the square process in order for this to work. Okay, so I need to kick plus 3 out because I need a different value here that'll give me two factors of whatever that give me a sum of 10. It needs to be the same two factors. So I'm going to have x squared, 1x squared. I don't need to divide because it's a 1, plus 10x. And then I need to find the new number that goes there using my b divided by 2 to the second power formula. So my b is 10 divided by 2 to the second. So that's 5 to the second, and that equals 25. Okay, so I brought in 25. There's no multiplier out here, so it's just 25. So I need to negate that by minusing 25. Okay, now my second step is for me to factor this trinomial here. So it's positive 25, sum of 10, and that's 5 times 5. So I make two parentheses, so x, 5 and 5. And since my 10x is plus, both these 5s will be plus. And then 3 minus 25 is negative 22. So since that's a negative, I write minus 22. And now I write x plus 5 quantity squared minus 22, and that's my answer. Now it's in vertex form. Okay, I'm trying to accomplish the same thing on the third problem, converting it from standard form into a vertex form quadratic equation. So what I do is I make a parentheses. We want to kick minus 3 out. Now, I don't want my a to be 5, okay? So I need to divide both of these by 5. Just 5, though, not 5x. So I put 5 out, and now I get 1x to the second power plus 4x plus something else. And the 4 is where I do my b over 2 squared, not the 20. So 4 divided by 2 squared, it's b over divided by 2 to the second. So it's 2 squared, and that's 4. So I put a 4 in there. Now, I didn't just bring in 4. I brought in 4 times 5. Well, what is 4 times 5? It's positive 20. So I need to negate positive 20 by minusing 20 out here. And now I use my t-test. So positive 4, sum of 4, and that's 2 times 2. Now, the 5 doesn't just go away. It needs to be dropped down, okay? And I make two parentheses, so x, 2 and 2, they're both plus. And then negative 3 minus 20 is negative 23. So since that's negative 23, I write minus 23. So 5 and then x plus 2 quantity squared and then minus 23. And there's your vertex form of that equation.